Hi there, my name is Marcy Hutton, and I was speaking with Diana before the holidays, and she gave me this email and said that it was the best place to send this custom video of your business. What I'm going to explain today in this video is 3 things that you could do today to start outranking your competitors online and bring in more customers. You know, you could be thinking, why is it that I'm doing this and what's in it for me? Well, in the world of internet marketing, digital marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work for them and benefit their business. And sometimes their only hesitation is, in hiring somebody is that they don't know who's an expert and they don't know how all this works and who they can trust. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of the actual things they can do to impact their business for free, it's resulted in some of those business owners raising their hand and saying, hey, yeah, I need you to help me out. I don't have time to do this. So if by the end of the video you like what you see, we can get together and chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips and that I give you and implement them yourself, that works for me too. So the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, backlinks, and citations. By content, I mean when I come down here on your site and I start to highlight, that's what I mean by content. All of the information that you've got on your home page, how your pictures are saved, North Vancouver Roofing Company, pretty good. Making sure you've got something in there. Quite often I'll come over a website and that's just a bunch of numbers and letters, and that doesn't tell Google exactly what it is that you do. So that's how they tell. When they come across a website on the internet, they're going to go and crawl it, and what they're trying to do is find out what it is that you do, so they can serve you up into the best result. Give their searchers the best results. They want to keep websites. They want to keep searchers on their search engine because that's how they make money. So they like to see 1,000 to 1,500 words of keyword-rich, authoritative content. So that's one area here where. The nice thing about it is it's easy to beat competitors. I mean, as far as your website goes, you're actually above most, but you can definitely add some. Just to keep it kind of the same across the board. The search term that I used for all my tools is the same. I used Vancouver roof repair. So let's see if you've got that. So yeah, 0 doesn't look like it's on there. Make sure it's right off. Yeah. So that's how they can match it up, is you want to kind of put with keywords, get some exact match keywords going on there, so it's easy for them to connect the dots basically. So I'm going to move on to backlinks. Backlinks really are one of the top factors in making you visible in the organic section. We call this the organic section. Top is ads, middle section is Google My Business Listing, and down here is the organic section. So backlink profile plays a big role in how Google chooses which sites are going to be appearing in the first page of the search results. So I've put your business into this tool, which shows us what's going on behind the scene. And to explain a backlink simply, it's when another website on the internet links back to yours. If you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, when another site votes for you, aka links back to your site, that in Google's eyes makes you popular, and it's going to help to push you up the search engine rankings. So this tool is showing me that you have 46 referring domains, 46 websites on the internet linking back to yours, that you're being found for 121 words, and that you've got roughly 40 visitors to your site on average a month. Now let's take a quick look here and see what it is that Google is finding your business for. Roofing North Vancouver, fabulous. Second position, roof repair North Vancouver, good job. Second position, North Vancouver Roofing, commercial roofing services. So this is good. You're ranking in the first first page for these terms. So if that's, maybe all you're wanting to do is do the North Vancouver area, then perfect. If you were wanting to branch out to other areas, now you can see how you could accomplish that and get ranking higher up. Vancouver roofing companies, right here where it says 20. My guess is that you'd be probably bottom of second page, potentially top of third page. This one here would be the third page. So that's how it works. If you wanted to get more business in a different area, build your content around that, around the keywords and the location, service and location that you're wanting to show up in, and build, strengthen the backlink profiles. Good job. And then the third thing, as I said, we'll talk about three things, is the citations. This here is a citation. Any place on the internet where you're going to find your exact business name, address, and phone number, that's a citation. So having more citations, back to that popularity contest thing, having a lot of citations is one of the factors, again, more than your competitors, which is helping to boost you up in the rankings for the maps area without having to view more. Probably about 50% of the clicks are going to these three businesses that are sitting here. That's not the only thing. You want to have a well-optimized map listing, having good reviews. There's lots of things that you can do. Geotagging your photos that you're posting there in your GMB. There's a lot of things that you can do to help boost you up into the top three. But ultimately, best case scenario is to be showing up as many places on the, have more than one place that you're showing up on the first page of the search results. So I'm going to leave it at that, as promised, trying to keep it brief. So I'm going to email it off, and I will follow up with whoever. I'll ask Diana there who had a chance to take a look and make sure that somebody did in fact receive the video. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have a great day.